Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rob, founder of WealthBuildersHQ.com. Welcome to this edition of Trade with Rob, which is for October 6th, 2021. That is a Wednesday. All right, that is mañana, tomorrow. Markets are not closed up that long ago. Let's go take a look first at the S&P 500, keeping in mind that everything we look at today is for educational purposes only. Nothing is meant to be advice or recommendations. All right, so let me bring up the SPX and let's chat. So let me get a pencil. Let's go draw some lines. Here's our V bottom on the market. Nice move up. There's our V top. We've pulled down into this retracement 50% of what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a move down about 4,100. Took a little bit of a bounce today. We're still in a bearish bias. We're getting lower closes still. Well, actually, we closed higher today. But the overall pattern is still bearish. It's still trending down, and we are below that 8 moving average on the close. So we'll see how the market handles over the next couple of days. Doesn't mean there aren't bullish trades to take. Doesn't mean you have to take bearish trades. There are different trade setups that will still work regardless of the direction of what the market's doing. Right? So let's go take a look. Our candidate today is ABBV. Let's go take a look at ABBV. Boop, there it is. Okay, so let's talk ABBV. Pencil again. Let's draw the fibs as we always do. Great V bottom in there. Good, strong, bullish thrusting pattern and a fail. We've had already a break out of the zero line. It moved up to the midpoint. We're good. That tells me we are okay to go. 3 check marks that we are okay looking at a potential zero line breakout on this setup. Now, with that being said, I'm going to bring it in a little bit. And here we go. So we've gone above the 109 today on a closing basis, right? We're closing at 109.60, 109.15 is our support level. So what am I looking for this to do? One way or another, either it's going to move down, test the 109.15. Ideally, I'd like it to come down a little bit below and make a move up. You can do it where it closes near the 109.15. You could do an intraday bounce off the 109.15. That will be left up to you based on your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance, right? So if we enter this trade, now the way that I show these trades, we do 2 contracts, and there's a reason for it. You can do these with 1. They just have a better result with 2 because we're going for the home run part on the second half of the trade. So what do we got? Pen again. So what we look for is the entry to bounce off of here, right? So put an E. Our target 1 is that 112 level. Now, if we make it up to 112, you're going to sell half of your position. Now, that's why I said we do 2 contracts. If you only have 1 contract that you're trading, no harm, no foul. You exit the trade. It's over. You're done. Move on to something else, right? Well, my original stop is right down here, right, which is at 108. And what we're looking at is this. If we put our order in, we're going to put it in to sell 2 contracts. If it goes against us, we're going to put it in to sell 1 contract at target 1, T1. We're going to sell 1 contract. If we hit target 1, that stop goes away. We move our stop up above break even. And now we've got target 2 that we sell our second half of the trade at. So in other words, if we get in the trade at, let's call it 110, we get out at 112, the first half of the trade, we get out of the second half of the trade at 116, life is good. If it moves up, hits a stop. See, the whole idea is this. Get into the getting into the trade component is easy, right? That's not what the hard part is. The hard part is managing the risk once you enter that trade. We're setting our stop. Do we have trades that go against us? All the time. If it goes against us, so what? It's a trade. You're going to have trades go against you. That's just what happens. Right? Move up to the first target, move up to the second target. Man, home run, and we're good to go. All right? So there you have it, folks. Right? Make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just 1 trade away. Take care, and I will see you at our next update. Bye for now. Folks, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the training. Now, if you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up and go ahead and hit the subscribe button right over here. And hit the bell to keep up with all the latest trading content. And oh, did you know that we have a podcast? Supercharge your trading education with the Stock Market Millionaire, which you can find in the description down below. And while you're there, you can also find other amazing free trading resources that I've put together just for you.